Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Continue for that car. This is a Pathfinder 2004. And just remember this key. This key, I just want to tell you something about it. It's Elco key. And this key here is the electronic key. That means this key is only to copy it. You cannot program. You cannot use it to program, like you cannot use to add a key. You can clone information from another key to this. If the battery go dead on this one here, it will not function. You have to put a battery on it. It have a battery generated key. Now this car here, they changed the engine. For some reason it have aftermarket alarm, and the aftermarket alarm, it get confused. Something happened. It shut down everything. We isolate the wires. Now we try to program this one here. Anytime we program it, it come back again. It doesn't want to take it. So I went and we cut another key with the chip. You see the security light is here on. Just this review. You see security light here is on. And you remember also I put all the wire back. You tape them, right?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet tape it, but we have some wires that supposed to be taped around this area. Hopefully they don't touch. I'm gonna tape them later, okay. But when we try to program this one, it doesn't program. So let me show you now what we need to do. I put a key, that key there. You cannot program this key. So let's go to this one. Okay, I have the light there. I'm gonna go here, accept history. If I have history on programming Nissan 95 to 2008, say Immo. We're gonna go directly to Immobilizer. So I say yes. Ignition is on. It's supposed to be programmed. This I just go to hot function and say yes. We're gonna communicate with the car, and then I will program it. This time, before when I program, the light go off, and when I turn the ignition on, turn the ignition off and on again, the light come on. It look like that key, as I told you, is not a programmable key. You can now take that key and use the tools to clone it, to clone this key. The key that we just made it here, you can clone it. So let's go ahead. Okay, key. Now start it. Say yes. Insert the blade key. You're gonna see that it will go off. 1, 2, 3, 4 is go off. Now he asks success. Turn the key off for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the blade. I remove the blade out. And then I will put the blade back. Turn it on. This light not supposed to come back. You see? Before, as soon as I turn the ignition on, the light will go back. Insert the key. Okay. I did it. I don't need nothing else. Okay. 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 That's it. So now, I'm going to turn the key again one more. Turn it on, nothing. Turn it off, take the key out. Put it back. Turn it on, nothing comes. So now I'm going to start it. You see now? Now it's for him to check his car. The computer is good now. Here, programming is success. Okay, my friend. The key is programming. Now you have to look for your car. You see security light is blinking. I put the key on, everything gone. Now you have to look for your car.
I smell the gas.
Yeah, now you have to look for your car. You have to start it. You have to look for power, ground. You know, like whatever it is. I did not give no gas yet, but if you want me to give some gas, let me give gas. Okay, smelling too much gas. Let me see. That means fuel pump is pumping. I gotta go. Something wrong there. I gotta exit here. I smell too much gas. So I gotta go back here to diagnose. I gotta go to Nissan Asian car. This is extra work. Anyhow, this have nothing to do with the key. The key is already programmed. Okay, manual. US, North America. US. Pathfinder. Let me see, R50. Yes, 2004. Good. Diagnosis is different. Diagnose. Control unit. Engine. Smell too much gas. It's no burning.
No, it's the gas coming up.
Gas coming up, or no spark maybe. No spark to light it up or something.
Yeah, that's why now we go check. No.
I'm just trying to see if there is any problem here. I'm just going to the engine to see what's going on. Three of three. Diagnosis. Okay, I gotta read the code. Before maybe I have the code for the keys. Oh, you have crankshaft position sensor circuit, my brother. Yeah. Okay. Let me erase everything. Yeah, you have crankshaft position sensors. Look at your crankshaft sensor.
The one underneath the car.
Yeah. Let me crank it now.
Huh?
I'm gonna crank it one more to see if it's gonna come. This one time.
Let me change it.
Hold on. There is nothing. Okay. Now let me see. Let me read the code again. Read the code. No code till now. I don't have no code, but maybe you want to change it. You want it? It's easy to change it.
Not yet. I'm gonna go right now.
Okay. He changed the crank sensor. And now let me go to data to see RPM, if I have the RPM also. ECM signal input, including crankshaft sensor. I will try to crank it again one more. Okay, here I just want to know the vehicle speed or RPM to be sure that not vehicle speed, engine speed, vehicle speed, pulley RPM, 306 RPM, that require engine RPM here. I just want to see if I have something. Meanwhile, I'm cranking. So stay with us. Start off. No RPM. Now I have RPM. 200. I have RPM. Okay, so you may have to spend some time on your work. I know you changed the engine. Please subscribe, share, and like. You can watch the first video, what happened, and this is the second one. Those Nissan, the good news is the key is programmed already. And when you have this issue, you have to be patient, look for the result, diagnosis, and everything will be okay. I don't like Nissan engine when they are older enough. If you don't well set it up, you're gonna have a problem like, but it's okay.
Because the engine that was in it, the two engine put in, boom, it Start out.
Yeah, so just check it out slowly, take your time. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please, if you have anything, let us know.